Hello, welcome to Sublive Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make chicken salad and egg. My egg. See, I'm gonna put 7 minutes. You can put 6 minutes or 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. See how you like the egg. Okay, now my egg 7 minutes. I'm gonna turn off. Then I'll put in the cold water. When you put in the cold water, it's easy to peel it. So here all our ingredients we have. This one I just buy it, the chicken, but I just take only the one piece chicken breast. This one, and you're gonna make a small piece, and it has one avocado. I have I use 2 eggs, and then some later, chop later, about 1 cup, and half cup mayonnaise, and then 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoon sugar. You don't like sugar, don't put in, and half teaspoon ground black pepper, half cup chopped celery, half cup pickle, half cup red onion, and I'm gonna break the chicken, make a small piece, and then we mix all the ingredients. Okay, and now I'm gonna mix the sauce first. Black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna move this one away. And salt, sugar, garlic powder, chopped celery, chopped pickle, chopped red onion. Just mix it. Break the chicken breast, make it small like this. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna mix my sauce to the chicken. Now I'm gonna add, put on a plate. This kind of bread, just eat like that. Okay. Here is my chicken salad and egg.